This one more detail. Okay.
Uh,
Previously, also I have worked on one ticket when I was working with Bakul, I think. So we have changed some version.
so these are in all interaction. Okay. Go back to ticket.
Yeah.
Click on it. Click here. No, there only. Click here.
Yeah.
When it's loading,
Yes, Hema.
click on evidence. Down.
Yeah, here.
Yes. You can see that interaction name, right?
Yeah. This interaction.
And this is interaction name, backup search index theory.
Yes.
So actually what happening when they click on a backup search index, the propagation headers are not getting there. So it's returning false. So in code, you need to add a propagation header, just one or two lines. That's it.
Okay.
And you need to override the plugin and you need to check
But
it's returning
how
false
to
or
do?
true.
I am not getting like all how you get it returning false, where it has written.
See here, interaction propagation is false. Means this is not passing the interaction headers.
Okay, where is interaction header, Hema?
This is the interaction name.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to check the in code where you are saying this backup search.
Okay, so Hema, if I will give this thing to AI, so it will do.
Yeah, it will help.
So what I will need to give this part only need to give to AI.
Yes.
Okay, do you know if I want to do manually, because I don't have idea. You are telling like AI will not help. So
You
I'm
cloned a repo, right?
yeah, already cloned. So here what I need to do? This one
You can search with interaction name.
actually one is automation, that is for playwright. I have not taken it because I need brain help. And he
Now
is
you
not
have this.
tax home. Uh, which one I need to search? Interaction header.
No, go back to ticket.
Yeah.
Copy the name, this backup search index used. Yeah, copy this one. Now search with this name.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that one.
Two things get open. The first one.
Yeah, first one.
Okay.
Yeah, here you can see you have use where is this one?
This one here is showing backup search index.
Backup research used, right? See, it's creating the interactions for you, but it's the interactions was not passed. So you need to add interactions for this one. You can give this to AI. It will add one line here.
So okay, what I need, I will give this screenshot. What prompt I need to
Yes.
give?
Just give this screenshot.
Okay. And how to verify? Like how I will test it?
I showed you, right? You need to
App Fabric, like but
override the app fabric.
yeah, but in UI how I will test it? That I will override.
Right.
That
Yeah, you can do changes. I will show.
okay, okay. I
Just
need
give AI.
this thing only.
Yes,
This is screenshot.
screenshot of them.
Or what prompt I need to give regarding this?
No, just tell that I have received your ticket and I need to resolve this. I need to pass the headers for backup search index use.
Okay. So please fix this. This all are the content.
Yeah. Yes, just take the screenshot and give.
For this page only, right? Only one SS.
Yes.
Okay, Hema, I will give and I will check to you again. And the second ticket is regarding playwright. Actually, Virendra is going on leave for this week, so I need to take care of this.
Asset content.
Yeah,
I
this
think
one is seen at TTO
before we
Canada.
have work on this one.
Oh, but the repo is different. See, this one is automation test playwright. I haven't
Yeah.
worked on playwright. I am scared of playwright, so I need to go here, click here.
Yeah, click here.
Which one is simple? I will take it for this week.
You can take first one.
First one, Canada home one, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
And take the evidence.
Going to the evidence. Oh, so many
See,
things.
you need to add these things like update one.
So
You need to update the version. Both are, I think, easy.
we need to update. So where I can see the version in which?
Yeah, you can open the page. Here also you can see.
This ticket I have worked, but for 25 I have worked. I haven't worked for automation. See,
AI will help for both these tickets.
but only need to check build, right, Hema?
Yeah.
But Hema, do you
for
know if we are taking build for automation like playwright, many playwright will fail. So playwright, I am not sure about this. That's why
Actually, for this repo, I don't know how to verify.
I'm for automation.
Yes.
And for home, you know how to verify.
Yeah, for home I know.
Whom I also know Hema like App Fabric how to override plugin, but in UI what I will do, that I know.
In UI, like you click on more details, right? In more details, you can see something.
Okay.
Can you open?
Yeah, going. Wait, Hema. I think I have also worked on one ticket. I remember now. But I have done some Jenkins build. That ticket was complex, so Sainath had helped, and Bakul was also helped.
If you scroll down,
Yeah.
yeah, this is the validation.
This one, Dev Portal Fuzzy.
Yes, it's a dev portal. Wait, I will share link to you. And we have two ways to verify these things.
Okay, I will give to the AI. Firstly, I will make change and please help me to verify it. I think
Yeah.
both ticket I need to take it because Virendra had already the tickets and he is going for leave. I'm not sure about the automation one. The ticket is simple for the automation, but I don't know how I will test because only change the version. Version changes I have done. Are you sharing any link?
Yeah.
Ramu will join tomorrow. So many things Sainath is asking to do. I don't know. He's asking me to add this, that, everything. You know, playwright we are not checking, and Virendra also told check playwright. He is also not checking the playwright. What happened with playwright? If any during the PR creation, if anything fails during the Jenkins build, then we are checking for the playwright. The Simrat told in that way. And now in
click
front.
back to search query. Here. No, here.
Okay. Yes,
Actually, like in UI, you can see one trace ID. So you need to click on plus mark and you need to add the trace ID and run.
Okay, trace ID. One minute, Hema. In UI, I can see the trace ID. So what I need to do? We need to click on plus mark.
Click on trace ID. Just you need to add trace ID and run.
Okay, click on run. So if it will run successfully, then it's done.
Yes.
So in trace ID, where I can able to see when I will override the App Fabric plugin, and after that.
Yes. And another method is you need to add the Chrome App Fabric extension.
Okay, Hema. So which ticket should I need to take it first? The Canada home one, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will do the changes for this because today I'm going to complete my first ticket and sign